Hey there, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to learn step by step how to make your very own GPT from start to finish. Whether you're trying to work faster, find solutions, or come up with new ideas, I've got you covered. From making instructions to putting them into action. Plus, I'll share some tips and tricks along the way. No worries, it's all free. Let's get into it and build these GPTs for success in ChatGPT. To kick things off, let's start by pinpointing our challenge. I've got a handy free prompt waiting for you in the description below. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT and you're good to go. This prompt is designed to assist in the creation of our customized GPT. We're skipping the Create section meant for beginners and jumping straight into the Advanced Configure section. Here, we'll tailor our prompt based on the one I provided. The goal of this prompt? Find a unique problem-solving method that will help you solve your problem in the most efficient manner. I've included instructions and a detailed example to guide ChatGPT in understanding what we're after. Check out the instructions below, and here comes the exciting part. You can add your own problem in the section provided. It's a breeze. Go to the description, grab the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, type your problem, and voila! Your GPT is on its way. Just follow along, and soon you'll have everything from the agent name to the description and instructions. It even throws in an active command. Simple, right? Let's get started. So, I just need to type out my problem. Perhaps I need assistance in analyzing large data sets. I can simply enter it, and the prompt kicks into action, crafting our personalized GPT. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting, providing us with everything essential: the name, description, and clear instructions to paste into the Instructions tab. What sets it apart is the fantastic touch it adds by generating all these specific commands for interacting with the chatbot. So it says, activation command, activate data device. On top of that, it provides additional commands like visualize data, investigate patterns, and summarize findings. What's remarkable is its flexibility. You can customize these commands to suit your preferences, whether it's about making them more memorable or aligning them with your structured data cleaning process. You have all the freedom to tweak them. And look at that, it did a nice, stellar job. Cool, right? Next, we need to open a new tab on the sidebar, hit Explore, and then click on Create a GPT for your specific need. Ours is analyzing large data sets. As you can see on the left side, there are two sections, but don't bother with the Create part. Go straight to the Configure section. Now remember, we've got the name, description, and instructions ready for us. Just type your problem using the prompt template we used. Copy Data Detective for the name, and for the description, it should be under Purpose. Paste it in. Now, we can get rid of the Data Detective and just say, designed to facilitate the efficient analysis of large data sets. We can even get rid of the entire back half of it and keep it extremely simple. Data Detective, designed to facilitate the efficient analysis of large data sets. Easy, right? Now grab your instructions, starting with the activation command. This is the cool part, how we get things rolling. Copy all the commands, head back to Configure and paste them in. Voila! All the instructions are there for ChatGPT to run through, tailoring itself to our specific situation. You can use this for day-to-day problems or those unique challenges that need specific help. It guides you through a problem-solving journey and gets closer to cracking those issues head-on. Now under Conversation Starters, this is a neat trick I use to give my GPTs that app-like vibe, you know. Click a button and it kicks off the process. Here's the move. Take that activation command we got from the prompt and stick it into Conversation Starters. Now it shows up as a button. Just hit click to send and boom. In the preview, Data Detective is all set to help you out. No need to type a prompt. It'll guide you step by step based on the issue you mentioned. Cool and quick, right? We're getting this done in under 5 minutes. You can amp it up, upload files, add actions, pull API keys, go wild. I say keep all the capabilities on. It makes things more powerful. Don't forget the code interpreter, as it's crucial for running code and uploading files, especially if you're tackling tasks like analyzing large data sets. And there you have it, ready to roll. Now, there's another cool thing you can do. Add a personal touch with an image using DALL-E or by uploading a photo. Here's my move. I'll head over to Bing Image Creator and whip up a duotone agent to give it that extra oomph. Let's let Bing do its magic with this prompt. Not a must-do step, but it adds a special touch. Instead of settling for the pre-generated DALL-E images, I prefer the unique vibe from tools like Midjourney, or in this case, Bing Image Creator. I get it to customize my image exactly how I want it to be. Check out these 4 awesome pictures it generated, totally unique. You won't find these anywhere else. So I'm going with the one in the bottom left. It gives off that data set feel with those lines in the back. I'll download that one and use it as my profile picture. So now I've got it uploaded, and here's our Data Detective guy right here. We've got the agent vibes and a ready to go command, and we're all set. Now, things can get pretty exciting. You can go all out and even upload these knowledge files, but if your issue is pretty straightforward, I suggest starting simple and building from there. You can always tweak your GPT later, edit files, modify instructions, or add new ones. With the foundation laid, we're ready for an agent to assist in problem solving. Hit save, and you'll get the option to save it as only you or only people with the link, or make it public public. For now, I'll choose only me and hit confirm. On the left sidebar, you can see another GPT I created as well. Underneath, you'll spot the data detective. Click on that and boom, we're in the agent mode we just crafted, focused on tackling larger data sets. I like throwing in this action command. Just hit click to send and it kicks it into gear. Data detective activated, techie and cool. It then asks, ready to assist with data analysis from data overview to actionable insights. How can I assist you today? Here's the beauty of it. With ChatGPT and the code interpreter, you can simply upload your data set by hitting the file link, and it guides you through the process step by step. And guess what? The GPT journey doesn't stop there. The Create Your GPT feature by OpenAI is just evolving, growing, and getting more exciting as the day goes by. Stay tuned for more videos like this. You can also check our channel as we have a bunch of free content to fuel your GPT success. If this video gave you value, don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.